Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can lock Facebook profile officially. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. First, I'll just simply go to Facebook. And once you're inside Facebook, what you have to do is just simply go to your menu. And once you're inside menu, here as you can see, you'll be able to see a gear icon of the settings. But if you can't find it, just go to settings and privacy over here and press on settings. Once you're inside settings, you just need to scroll down until you see the option of audience and visibility, and right over here on the top you'll be able to see profile locking. Just go ahead and press on profile locking. So once you've pressed on it, here as you can see it says lock your profile and everything, but right over here you just gotta go ahead and press on the option of lock your profile. And here as you can see, once you press on it, it will do its process, so you just gotta wait until the process is done. And here as you can see, now the profile has been locked and it says your profile is been locked and no one can else see it now. And just press OK and it says you locked your profile. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you all.